Hi guys, so I have 8 pieces of raw avocados before guys, and I wrap it with tissue paper and I put it close to the onion and it's easy to ripe guys. So now I have all this already. It's ripe already, but it's not totally soft, but it's okay because it's no good also too much overripe. So this one guys, now I peel it off the skin and I will remove the seed inside and I will smash it. And then this guys I make is one of the Filipino dessert. So you can try this at home guys if you want. You can try this. This is Cyprus avocado guys. So our avocado in my country, the skin is plain only. But this one, the skin is rough. So I'll just peel it off the skin, take the seeds and smash it and put in the container, and then I will put some condensed milk. So look, I'll put it here on top. So some guys, avocado, we can use it in the salad. But this one, since my husband and my daughter like this kind of dessert, and me too, so I'll done it. And this avocado guys, I have 8 pieces avocado. My friend is the one who gave this to me for free, because it's my friend. But here in Cyprus, 1 piece of avocado is very expensive guys. But because I have a friend, I've got it for free. So I will just continue guys. It's very nice also the avocado when you put it in the salad. But me, I don't make salad now. I just make this as a dessert. Like after we eat, I will just smash it and put condensed milk. Not totally sweet guys, just a normal. And then leave it to be cooled down in the fridge. And after you have your food, you can eat this as a dessert. You can try this at home guys. It's very nice. I'm not good in English guys, so I'll just try to speak English, but I'm not good in English anyway. But it's okay as long as the people will look on my video, they can understand, so no problem. So this is for free. Yippee! Maybe you are wondering guys, why we put condensed milk, but in my country, Philippines, this is how we also do like a dessert. Not all the time we eat guys sweet guys, so it's just normal. Sometimes we feel like to eat this kind of dessert. So it's different guys, the texture, skin texture of this avocado is different. It's Cyprus avocado. So there is one left. I already washed this avocado, guys, before I wrap it in tissue paper. So that's why I didn't wash it again. Because it's been washed, and wrap it with the tissue paper. So if you have raw fruits, guys, not only avocado, if you have raw fruits, you can wrap it and put close to the onion, guys. It's easy to get ripe, the fruits. And put in the dark place. So I put my onion inside the cupboard, kitchen cupboard, and then that's why it's dark place. So I will wash my hand again now. Wait. So I already washed my hand, guys. So I have this is a normal container, guys, from the empty of the ice cream container. So it's okay, no problem. So I will just already wash my hand. Look, my hand is wet. So I will just do like that and take out the seeds. You can use spoon, guys, but I just wash my hand, and it's easy to use hand while taking this seed of the avocado. So this one, guys, is just like an ice cream. So you can make it also an ice candy. If I have ice candy plastic. Look at the seeds, guys. It's very small. My husband and my daughter love this one, guys. When I will smash it again, guys, I will use the spoon or fork na. But now, I'm using my hand to take out the seeds. So I just wash my hand, guys. Don't worry if I use my hand now, because I wash already my hand. And my nails also are not long, so it's okay. So look, it seems like it's too much, but when it's smashed, it's normal. This is very nice, guys. And the finished product of this one, after I take it out from the fridge, I will show it to you in my short video. Now, like this. So now it's finished, guys. So I'll wash my hand again. And then I will smash it with spoon until it will become until it will look like mashed potato. So this one, guys, it's very nice, guys. Wait. And I have condensed milk here. I have local condensed milk. You will not put the whole 397 grams of condensed milk, guys. You just taste it. Once it's a little bit sweet, it's enough. You will not finish the whole can. Wait, I will wash again my hand, guys, because it was touched by the avocado. Okay, this is very nice, guys. You just do like this. First, we have to do like this, and then Look. My husband like this too much also, guys. Even my husband is a Cypriot. The Cypriot people, guys, most of the Cypriot people, they eat the avocado with lemon and salt. Or they will put in the salad also. Same in Philippines. But my husband get used to it. When I have a ripe avocado, I will do like this as a dessert. And then he like it also. So most of the Filipino food, my husband already adopted it. Because long time he is living in Australia and there's so many Asian people there. So he ate already so many Asian food like Vietnamese food, Chinese food, Thailand food, Japanese food, and Filipino food, and Filipino dessert. That's why he already adopted. So you can try this at home, guys. You can try this at home. But if you're scared, scared because you have a sugar, but it's okay. But if you like, or if you are very curious to taste it, you can try this at home. But very nice, guys. Look. So it's almost done. And now, so that when we have our dinner now, because I cook also my dinner, and I will upload also on my YouTube, and then I will upload also this one later on. So while the food that I cook now, lamb chops in the oven, it's not yet ready. So I will just, after I put this condensed milk in the smashed avocado, I will just put in a few minutes in the freezer so that it will be cold immediately. So when the food is done, we will eat our dinner, and we will have also this cold avocado with condensed milk. So look, guys, it's been smashed already like a mashed potato because it's ripe already. So now, guys, it's been smashed, the whole 8 pieces of avocado. So now, guys, I will wash my hand because there is avocado in my hand again. So now, guys, I will put the condensed milk. Wait. So now I will pour condensed milk, guys. So now it's enough. I will wash my hand again. Now it's enough for the meantime. Then I will just mix it well, and I will try to taste it. And if it's not so totally or not totally sweet, I will just add more condensed milk. Cypriot people, most of them, they eat avocado in their food with lemon and salt. But Filipinos is different. But also, I can adapt also the food of the Cypriot. Since I'm here in Cyprus for 17 years. 17 years, guys, this June. So I arrived here in Cyprus June 26, I forgot. Basta June 24, 26, 2009. No, sorry guys, 2009, no, 2009. I forgot. I arrived in Cyprus June 24 or 26, 2007. Man, guys, I forgot. I'm old already. June 2010, I was married here in Cyprus with my husband. I forgot. I'm old already, guys. So I arrived here in Cyprus June 24 or 26, 2007, and I was married here in Cyprus June 29, 2010. So now I think it's enough, guys. I will wash my hand again. I will try this now if it's sweet or just normal. Look, guys. Like an ice cream, avocado ice cream. So now, guys, I will try, guys, but I will not use the spoon anymore because I tried already. So now I'll try. Perfect. So now, guys, I will cover it and put in the fridge. So this is our dessert after we had our dinner. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.